So dear friends, if you want to remove green screen footage background in Kinemaster, then follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. First, you gotta import the video background and not the green screen footage. You gotta import it as a base footage. So to import the base footage, first you gotta click on this media icon here and now select your video background. So this is gonna be my video background, okay? And next, you gotta import the green screen footage as a layer footage. So here's a layer option, so click on it. Next, click on media and now import your green screen footage over your base footage. So I'm selecting my green screen footage here. First, adjust the position of your green screen footage. Now look at the right hand side options. Scroll down a little bit and see here there is a chroma key option. So click on it and first you need to enable this option like this. Now see the green screen is removed. You gotta move these 2 points a little bit like this. Like this. And move the second point to a little bit like this. And if you want, you can do a little bit color corrections to make this object a little bit clear. So to do a color correction, just click on this green screen footage and now click on adjustment. Increase the brightness a little bit like this. And you can increase the contrast level too like this. You can increase the saturations too. If you want, you can adjust its position too like this. And now if I play the clip, let's see how it looks like. Now see? So this is the final output. So this is how you can remove the green screen footage background in Kinemaster. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more of this kind of Kinemaster tutorial videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.